So over here you can see that I got a bunch of data, and let's say I want to reference all of these data right here in another sheet. So in order to do that, you can use the import range option. So I'm going to go around over here and I'm going to press equals on my keyboard and I'm going to type in import range right here. So I'm just going to go around. There you go. There's my import range option right here. So once I do that, I can add in the value right here. So I can go around onto the data sheet. I can go around over here and copy the URL address just like this. So let me just copy that. And if I were to paste that out right here, then you can see that I can close it out. You can go around, and what I can do is now I can take a reference over here. So I want all of these reference. So I'm just going to go around over here onto a new tab so that I can work around with reference easier. So I'm going to press equals. I'm going to go around into my shopping list and select this out. So this is what you have, as you can see. So I'm just going to copy this and go out over here. Add in an inverted comma, double inverted comma, paste that in, and then close this out right here. So now what happens is that you can see that all of the data that you see right here is there. So I'm just going to go around right here. So the format is not copied, but the data is copied. And I can go around over here, and if I were to type in PlayStation on this sheet, I'm not going to worry about the spelling error. You can see that it updates over here as well. So whatever data you update over here, let's say for example, if I were to type in 150, then you can see that it gets updated as 150 right there. But you have to make sure that you don't type in anything over here. Otherwise you'll see this error. So make sure that the cells required are empty. If you were to type in here, nothing happens. But if you were to type in here, then you see the error. And that is how you can reference multiple rows and column data from another file using the import range feature inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.